What's up, YouTube? This video is brought to you by Webull. If you'd like to help out the channel and get some free stock, make sure you check out my link below. Hey, I'm Chris Sane, and today's video is about 3 stocks to buy ASAP. Listen, guys, if I helped you out in any way, but I was help you make some money or give you a new perspective on the stock market, please make sure you like and subscribe and join us on the journey. Without further ado, let's take a look at my portfolio. Another day is in the books, and what a wild and crazy day. Somewhat of a roller coaster ride. Right now, guys, take a look at my portfolio. I am down a little over 1%, or the equivalent of around $2,000, $2,300, okay? Listen, you already know it's important that you guys see both the up days and the down days on the journey of an investor, okay? So I'm going to show up and make sure that I'm showing you all of it every time I get a chance to, okay? Listen, guys, we had a crazy day, but I'm encouraged. And when you're an investor, you see opportunity in days like today. And that's what I want to talk to you guys about today. 3 stocks that I want us to consider, and one in particular that I want us to load up on, depending on how earnings go. But listen, I want to hear from you. If you did our option play, the Snapchat put, and you were able to take advantage of when it finally did dip, let me know in the comments. If you were part of our options class for beginners and you did the Nike call option and you hit on that, I heard from some of you, so I know some of you got in. I heard from others, and I know some of you had struggles with just setting your play up, but that's all part of being a beginners. Please let me know how you guys fared out. Again, we've been rocking and rolling all week, hitting them off the park, and I want to continue that. We're going to stack mastery on top of mastery throughout this journey together, okay? Also, guys, listen, man, it's earnings seasons. We got some of the behemoths behind us. Amazon reported today and hit it out the park, and their stock reflected that and definitely shot up. And then you had somebody like Twitter report, and then theirs plummeted, okay? That is what comes with the territory when it comes to earnings, okay? One of our plays is on a chopping block today, and we're going to talk about it very shortly, okay? Let's get to it. Kicking today's video off with NIO, ticker symbol NIO, currently right now sitting at $39.50 on the day. During the trading hour, it was down over 5%. After hours, it is up a little bit over 1%, okay? That may mean a good sign in terms of what they are reporting with earnings. Remember, the chip shortage should impact them somewhat, but if they still turn out some decent numbers despite that, that will bode well for the stock. But listen, guys, this is a play. You know, we're very, very high on NIO around here. However, I like this play, and I want us to load up on this play. I need everybody to load up on this. If this play, for whatever reason, takes a dip tomorrow and or sometime next week, and it goes down from 39 to 34 or below, please load up on this, okay, guys? Again, I have a $65 short-term price target on this and a $100 long-term price target on this. At 65, if we get this at 34, that is an easy double up, okay? And so, again, of course, we're gonna ride it out. It's a marathon, but you gotta know that these plays will go up come August, September, October, and it's not gonna be here, so it's up to you to get your positions established in these levels right here. Also, you guys want to make sure that you're nibbling, buying shares when you can, and making sure that you are slowly but methodically building out your positions, okay? Listen, watch for this. Look at how it may move. If it go up, we like it at 40, we like it at 37, and we love it at 34. Next is Bngo. I've talked to you about this. It's currently sitting at $6.59. It was down 5% today. Remember, I told you, for those of you that don't have your position established in this, scoop up some of this in the 6s, okay? Scoop up some of this in the 6s en route to this play, again, going back to $10, $11, $12, okay? Again, this play will not be at these levels come August, September, October. I want you all to make sure that you are doing what you can when opportunities like today present itself, okay? I know it's been a bumpy ride, but you have to put your investor hat on and then see the opportunities. If you already got your positions established in this, put your feet up, okay? But for everybody else, for my new and beginning investors that's joining us on the journey, and you have not yet got your positions established in some of these plays on our 100K challenge, please take advantage of these opportunities to get you in your position established correctly, okay? And last but certainly not least, especially with where it's at, is Genius Brand, ticker symbol GNUS, currently sitting at 177. I like this play for us around the $1.50 range, okay? It might not come to that price specifically, or it may, you just never know, but that range, so 158, 152, 147, okay? Even if you nibbled here in anticipation of just getting your position established, because we have a $3-4 price target on this with the potential of it hitting $5, okay? But listen guys, it's all about being strategic. It's all about taking advantage of opportunities when they present themselves. So that means you guys got to be not only putting your money in every 2 weeks or monthly or whatever your payment schedule is, you got to be doing that, okay? You guys already know, as transparent as they come, I'm trying to add $500 minimum every 2 weeks like clockwork. You got to be doing the same. You got to help it out, okay? You can't just let your portfolio remain stagnant and you don't add anything to it. You got to add because you need dry powder. You have to have money available to take advantage of buying opportunities when prices go to attractive levels, when they have days like today, okay? So that is why you add money on the journey. Don't just put a lump sum in and expect magic to happen and you not ever do anything. You got to help it out and the stock market will do the rest. Up next, guys, is our word of the day, and our word of the day is FOMO. Listen, for my new and beginning investors, FOMO means nothing more than a fear of missing out. And sometimes when you are new to the game, you might feel like you're late to the party, and there may be a tendency to either chase or have the fear of missing out. So therefore you may buy stocks at the too high level of a price, okay, when you could wait for a day like today and catch them at much more attractive levels, okay? Remember, the name of the game is to buy low. You buy low and sell high, or you buy low and hold if you're like me, okay? And so listen guys, try to at all costs avoid having a fear of missing out. What you want to do is make sure that you are staying composed, that you are surveying the lay of the land in the manner in which a CEO would do, okay? Because you are the CEO of your portfolio, so you want to just sit back and be strategic, have certain numbers in mind that you are looking for a price to come to before you pounce, okay? And that is how you want to go about establishing your position and building out your portfolio. Also, remember, you guys don't have to have a gazillion stocks, okay? 3 to 5 if you're starting off is okay, okay? 3 to 5 is all you need, okay? And if you have a limited amount of money, you may only need 1 or 2 at the most. So remember those nuggets, guys. Don't spread yourself too thin. This is a marathon, and if you go about it the right way, no matter what happens in the market, you will have success. Up next, guys, we have our question of the day, and our question of the day comes from Ashley Poston. She says, I realized not to overly invest into the most volatile plays. Pick 1 to 3, not 7 to 10. That way my portfolio won't be hit as hard. Hashtag lesson learned. Ashley, I thank you so much for this phenomenal comment, man, because this is facts. Listen, guys, a correction. Hopefully those of you with the right mindset learn some valuable lessons that's going to make you even better investors on your journey, okay? And one thing Ashley pointed out was with the volatile plays, with the high risk, high reward plays, you want to keep 1 to 3. And that's what I often preach. Don't ever get it twisted, guys. Although I, as the teacher, will present multiple plays to you, that's just for entertainment purposes. That's just to get your mind open to all the various plays that's out there. But your job as an investor is to pick 1 to 3 because they are volatile in nature, because we're trying to grow. I told you all the time, I can play it real safe if you guys wanted me to, and we wouldn't make any money, and we would just be in Coke, Pepsi, Pfizer, and Moderna, and a portfolio would move like a turtle. However, on a 100K challenge, you are looking for high growth. And so high growth requires you to sometimes take and invest in high riskier plays, okay? And that's what we are into, but that's why you have to use the trailing stop losses. That's why you have to use the limit sell orders so that you can negate the different things that will happen in the stock market. But also, Ashley says something that is golden. You can minimize the loss and the damages by only having 1 to 3 of these plays. So maybe you have Bngo, Future FinTech, and Palantir, but you don't have IDX, ChargePoint, and Fuel Cell, okay? You can make moves like that, guys, and this, watch, just trust me, it will do wonders for your portfolio. You will see your money go up, you will move more efficiently, and you will dominate and suffer less loss. But if you all have a portfolio made up of all high risk plays and speculative plays, you're gonna get crushed anytime we have a correction. And we got a few more. Another one in June might not be as severe, another one in September might not be as severe, and another one in November. And so you want to be mindful of those types of things as you move forward on this journey, okay? This was a great question by Ashley. I thank you for sending it in. But listen, guys, if you have questions or comments, leave them below. I'll grab them and add them to my next video. Listen, we make videos like this every day, so if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see the end result, very few consider the journey. Do me a favor, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys grab some free stock using my link below, and I'll see you all in the next one.